In a world chasing handheld everything, the tripod still matters. It slows you down. It improves composition. Long exposures become possible. And when your tripod weighs less than 2 pounds, there's no excuse to leave it behind. Meet Iota, the tripod built for effortless carry. Ultra light, compact, and ready whenever inspiration hits. The Iota 219 tabletop tripod, only 14.9 ounces. That's lighter than the average zoom lens, or even your morning cup of coffee. The Iota 422 reaches 4 feet tall and weighs just 1 pound, 11 ounces. Minimalist design means fast and easy. An all-new leg angle mechanism lets you go from tall to ground level in seconds. Just a simple turn of the collar. No fuss, no confusion, just shoot.